I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Inco circular saw safely and effectively. Before you begin any project, prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment. Always double-check that your material is firmly secured and that your saw's blade is in excellent condition. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe cutting experience for everyone involved. We will cover everything from setup to making precise cuts. Setting up your Inco circular saw correctly is crucial for accurate results. First, choose a blade appropriate for your material. A 24-tooth blade is excellent for general wood cutting. Next, adjust the blade depth so it extends just 1/8 of an inch below your material. This minimizes kickback and ensures a clean cut. Finally, set your desired bevel angle, which can range from 0 to 45 degrees for angled cuts. Now, let's make some precise cuts with your Inco circular saw. Clearly mark your cut line and align the saw's guide with the waste side. Always start the saw before it contacts the material, allowing the blade to reach its full rotational speed. Apply steady, consistent pressure, guiding the saw smoothly through the workpiece. Avoid forcing the saw. Let the powerful motor and sharp blade do the work for you. Proper maintenance and storage will extend the life of your Inco circular saw. Always unplug the tool before cleaning, then remove all sawdust and debris from the blade guard and motor vents. Store your saw in a dry, secure place, protecting it from moisture and extreme temperatures. Periodically inspect and tighten any loose fasteners to ensure everything remains secure. This routine care keeps your saw ready for its next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.